where she jumped. I'm sorry, cleaning ASMR. That stuff is sold. It's gone. Everything's gone. Except the dish soap. Like, you know what I'm talking about? Hey, some of y'all need to tap in with y'all's heart me's. I can see when y'all don't have heart me's. Now after this, y'all gonna have to give me about a day to recuperate, re-up, get some more cans, figure out what's the next live gonna be. What should I do for the next live? What do y'all want to see? Y'all better follow me too so I can get to 18K. No, I still have cans going in. Laundry. It was 60 cans that have been bought. And I had 2 gain boxes. Y'all, I'm for real gonna have to rinse out my mouth after. Baking soda, dish soap. I could say I haven't done that. I am gonna do a Christmas live. That's a for sure. That is a for sure. You sent $10? Y'all remember when I did my fall overload? That was so good, huh? Thank you so much for sending. Chat, I think this is getting thick. I just don't want these sponges to flip. What haven't I done before? I could say the dish soap and the baking soda that Romy said. They only have 6 dish soaps left. You're really selling me out. Oh my god. Hey Anna. Fabric softener and dish soap? Yes. I just did that like not too long ago. That was like probably 2 lives ago. So I'm not sure what to do. Oh my god. All Ariel. I could. I have access to Ariel liquid and Ariel laundry, but I feel like that would have to be very small because it's expensive. Thank you guys so much for tapping to 100K. Thank you, thank you. Like I said, if you're new, hit the follow. I'm trying to get to 18K. Arm & Hammer. What about Arm & Hammer and Ariel? I feel like I could set aside like different combos to do because I feel like that would be really expensive. And I don't know about an overload for that. I think, okay, it'll be like, okay, like I do this combo in the sink. And we do, you know? Like I do this combo, like this is what I have for this combo. It's like $50. And then I have another one with Foca and Roma and lemon cans or something. I'm like, okay, let's do this. This one, $60 for this combo or something. Or something like that. Or maybe I could do a all Penalen overload where it's like only Penalen and I do Penalen dish soap and Penalen liquid. I'm just trying to think of some stuff. And then I could do like lemon cans, Roma and Foca. There's no Penalen powder though. It would just be like the Penalen liquid overload. It would be the liquid and the dish soap, and then Ajax and Pine. I've done that. Dish soap and Roma. That would be good. Hey Marie. Mr. Clean powder? Oh, they do have a powder, huh? Because this is the Mr. Clean overload, but I don't have access to the powder. And I don't like getting stuff shipped. That's because I don't want to have to like pay for something that I can't get in person. It's just when it comes to products, like if I can't find it in person, I'm not gonna order it. I don't know, I'm bad that way. Ooh. My shoulder's kind of tired. Ah, guilty. How could you miss it? It's okay. I'll forgive you this time. Tide versus gain? No. But I don't know if I'm gonna do a versus live. Because then I'll have to get like more totes. Hey, Gaga. This is almost overflowed.